Okay, welcome Niklas now to Zentner. We just moved 30 meters from our Suining factory to here. And Zentner is a joint venture of faytech and Zentner in Germany, a case manufacturer. And right, I'm here with Afei. He joined faytech already 2010, so he's really one of our oldest employees. And I love Afei. I could tell you a whole day about how cool he developed, how great he changed. And to end the story directly, he said, Arne, I feel like I can manage a factory better than you, so please give me one, and here we go. So he's managing the whole factory business of faytech Zentner here in China.
So how's it going?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Afei. I'm now the manager about the Zentner case factory, and thank you very much, Arne, introduced. Yeah, very appreciate for that one. So,
yeah,
what's happening?
Can introduce a little bit the machine.
So I feel like maybe I can introduce about the case factory. But first one, we have a lot of the machines about produce the case, and let me to introduce. This is about the laser cutting machine. It means that before the case go ahead to bending, we must to use this one to have a cutting.
Is it stainless steel?
All of them, and then also the stainless steel. Also.
What is this?
This is also the stainless steel.
Stainless steel.
Material, yeah.
So what do we see in there?
Yeah.
What's happening in there?
Yeah. Now you can see all the machines, and then mix one the complete plate and put inside here, and then we can to make the drawing, everything. We can cut in what we want, and then all the parts, everything.
So we started also here, like it's always growing. We started with one laser machine, then we were so busy that we have two laser machines. And for sure here it's quite loud, so we have to check. And the same like here, we started with one bending machine. Now we have 4 bending machines. And so probably I say a little bit. So here really the case starts. You see this one? This ends up 30 meters to be a case for faytech. And so probably I give a little bit the background why we started it. In Shenzhen, you know, we are focusing on automotive, on industrial, on smaller quantities, high production lots. And so high quality, right? Smaller quantities. And so for that, it's really important to have a company you can train perfectly, where you know, okay, they understand the quality demand, they understand how the things must be, how the finish must be. And at the end, because it's so much work for training always other companies, we said, okay, the right thing is to set up our own case factory.
And what happens with those bending machines?
Pardon?
Is bending?
Yeah, this is a normal. Afei, you want to say what he's doing?
Yeah. After laser cutting machine, and then means we can order everything, and then we can use the bending machine. For example, like this one is faytech, about 1526 the product, and then so it's designed that way. So it means we can use that one and then to bending. This is almost half finished product.
Probably we should have started here, but it's so cool. You know, you see here's really the start of the faytech products, and then they go just 30 meters further and are assembled.
How do you make sure that the bending doesn't break? The thickness needs to be perfect. What's the engineering in knowing all this stuff? You test a lot, or it's just everybody knows what to do?
Yeah, of course. Actually, you can see about this one, and then this is the drawing. And then you know this is the finished product, and then you have all the size here, and how to bending, how to match, and you can see all the size. This is the completely finished product, and then so this is the lasers cutting. It means that from the lasers cutting machine, okay, how's bigger? This is the first step, and then so this is the finished product. It means that's how to bending, how the thickness, how much to bending about this one. Yeah, and that's everything's worker. How they know to bending, so it means that everything's according to the drawing.
How many tons?
It's about 200.
200 tons?
Yeah, 200.
200 what? Tons?
Yeah, tons.
200 tons.
All right. In there somehow?
Don't put your finger between.
Okay.
Yeah. You can see the next one.
Yeah. Alice is coming.
I'm afraid we will be here again very long.
Yeah.
Niklas.
Sorry. It's just interesting.
You're loving the details.
It's pretty much like a Cybertruck factory right now.
Yeah, you can see about this one.
I feel like I'm Sandy Monroe.
200. This means that's 200 tons. And then for this one, it's 110. This is 110 tons.
Nice.
So
You have bigger than this one?
We don't need. We
Don't need-
don't do the Cybertruck. So
Okay.
you know, we do aluminum cases and stainless steel cases.
maybe I think I can introduce to you why we buy this one, the smaller one. Because we have the small part, and then so we can use the small machine, and then that's when produce more faster and easily. So this is why we will have the small one and bigger one. So if we have the bigger one, smaller one we can produce fasterly, and then the second one means that we can reduce the cost, everything. Yeah, this is a good
Does this
idea.
machine have safety? The fingers don't come near? There's a sensor or something?
Yeah, it is.
No risk for the finger to go
I
inside.
think
Yeah.
really we
It means
so
we have
far
the
have
sensor.
nobody injured. Or?
No. This is because that is very dangerous thing, and then so means that if the fingers put inside the sensor, you going to the machine will stop.
So we
Yeah.
go here. Here are our CNC cut machines.
Yeah.
So again, it's basically we are crazy. We are doing really everything by ourselves. But again, this makes us, you know, flexible, small quantities. You need to be able to do the things by yourself. You can't outsource things like this.
So what is happening there?
For this one, because if we go ahead the CNC and then to cutting the case, and then we must to fix the parts on the jig, and then go ahead start, and then all the CNC machine you can go ahead running. You can see about this one, it is set up all the software there, and that means that we will finish about fix the parts on the jig, and then go ahead start, and then everything you can follow with the software.
And how soon is it going to turn it on? When is he going to do something to that part?
Sorry?
A few seconds later, he will close the door and it will
Yeah.
start? Or?
Yeah. 你弄好了之后把门关一下，然后给它开始一下，给它看。
Is there a bunch of water in there? Or?
Yeah, you can see. You can go ahead. Okay.
So the water helps that it doesn't overheat, right? I think. Yeah. So we have two CNC cut machines and one operator.
Is it fun to work managing all these cool machines?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah? All right.
So Afei is really the specialist of self-learning. When he started 2010,
It's inside. I think so maybe I can open the little bit. 你可以张开一点。
You sure?
There's some some waters come.
so the typical CNC milling.
All right.
So when Afei joined us, he even couldn't speak English. So he felt like, oh, I have a foreign boss, so I want to learn English.
You like English?
And he trained everything by himself. And this is really,
Oh.
Afei is, I just learn and do. And
Yeah.
he's magic.
Now you also travel around the world?
Not yet.
Not
Maybe
yet?
we have the next year we can go. Yeah.
All right.
We wanted to have him on CES, but he will have that time a second baby. So
Yeah.
Oh,
he
faytech
he
baby?
has, it's no, right. You met your wife. You didn't know her before, right? She was a front girl, right? Yeah, faytech baby.
faytech. Okay. All right.
So here's the coolest product we shall show later, and this is again, Afei is so cool. He invented this product, so for sure on PCB and R&D we were allowed to help him a little bit. But basically, all this is now done by himself with also a software guy writing the APIs. And I think we shall end with this.
What is this?
Showing you will see.
It looks strong.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's strong stuff.
Yeah.
You could put a
Serious
Cybertruck on this.
Serious, yeah.
Yeah.
He has a video where it survives a 7.5 tons car driving over it.
Nice.
And it's a new way of parking lots. And I love the product. We shall say later more. Also, when it's hot season for the shopping carts, over there are the pipes. Even the pipes of the shopping cart are bent, cut. Everything happens
And there's
there.
a whole thing there.
Yeah. And we go here. Here's the welding area.
We can come to, here it's
Okay, we
yeah,
go.
Here, yes,
Don't look into it, Niklas, right?
The camera can
you,
look?
you see his protection.
The
and,
camera can look or no?
I think the camera, I don't know. It's
I
your
don't know.
camera, probably better.
Maybe I'll have to change my sensor.
You must be very carefully.
Yeah. But you see his protection. And again, like always, we really take care about the protection. And the welding spots are, again, mainly used when we produce the shopping carts. Then this area is full of welding.
Well, this also area is for the weeding. It means that's all the case. And then we must do weeding all everything's together. So this all everything's weeding's here. Yeah. Okay, come in here.
Let's have a look.
We lost him.
Okay.
He's.
No, I'm right here.
We just budgeted for next year welding robots. So we want for next year then also install robots. So again, we always see for doing more automatization.
What is she doing?
For this one, the case. After the finish the lasers cutting, and let's go to the bending. But we have the assembling the main bolts on the case. But how to assembling the main bolt on the case? So we must do about this river, and then do the small parts on the case, and then so you can see all here, this one, and then means how we can assembling the main bolt and the daughter bolt and everything on this case. Yeah. So this is they do it on this process.
All right.
All just started 2019, Niklas.
So what is the robot you were talking about?
Huh?
Well,
No, we just said we budget for next year welding robots as an automatization. What was the second? And another pipe cutting automatization.
It's the automatically.
Yeah. Niklas is too excited about. Okay, I feel like this kind of things are just worth to pass by, but it seems like it's your first case.
I've never
factory,
seen those things. I've been filming
Okay.
in this industry for 20 years.
你拿个给我一下。
All right.
This is for sure still very, very old. The really typical way of making holes into metal parts.
You can see about this one because after lasers cutting machine, okay, so this one. We assembling the screw, and then, but we must make all the surface is flat, and then how to make sure that everything is flat, and then we can make the holes something small like that one, and then it means after assembling the screw, and then everything is flat.
Yeah, it's really hard case stuff, what we are doing here. Yeah.
I hear
So-
something that it sounds a little bit like a cat. It's a crying cat over there. No?
A cat? No, I think here we have the polishing, but
Yeah.
Ah,
let's
polishing.
The polishing.
we go in there. You lead the way.
The polishing, I think we should
Okay,
go
let's go
inside
that way.
here.
Okay.
So this machine is, for example, for stamping small parts that you don't bend them, but that you can stamp them. But okay, right now there was no production. And also here, I mean, again, basically you see how well they are protected. We shouldn't be here and go past through, but yeah, we really take care about the health of the people. And That's it. The products need to be polished, that they are later good process.
Nice.
That's your cat sound.
Yeah. They have earphones so they can listen to music while they do this, right?
No, that's for sure. Just protect their ears and yeah. They don't get any bad smell into, or how to say, the small particles.
That's one place where it makes sense to wear a mask.
Really.
I think we can go to there.
This is a heavy stuff, but important. It's we have really all the ecologic certifications, but really be careful. When you put something in there, you never get it. You never get it back. So you want to say the process is for the aluminium that it's really going through this very special chemicals treatment to have after that that the powder coating sticks better to it. But again, we have this all well under ecological certification, and nothing goes into, you saw the river, nothing of this goes into the river.
So there's not a pool, swimming pool. It's better not to touch the stuff?
Yeah. So,
special stuff.
Yeah, it's so the alu goes into these bars, and after this it's cleaned and the surface is well prepared that it can take all the powder coating.
For this one, why we must protect the surface, because from the customer's requirement, for this area we cannot have anything the power coating, and then so we must use something the table and then to protect this area, and after finish the power coating and get these ones away, and then this area cannot anything about the power coating. So before the power coating, and then we must do this one. And after finish this one, and then so we went to put all the parts go inside here, and then to go a power coating, and then to get inside in the oven, and then to after about half hour finish.
What's in the air here?
This is about the power coating. It means that the case put inside here, and then we use the power coating.
We have soon? No, okay, because lunchtime.
Yeah.
So, but that's it. So the aluminium case, Nicholas, goes in like this, let's say, and comes out like this. Very easy.
Oh.
And this is really important. When I was visiting case factories, they had here the water running on the back, and every powder coating, which didn't stick to it, went just in the canalization. And we have here, and this was really expensive, we have here 100% recycling of the powder. So from us, nothing goes into the canalization, and we really take care about environment. And
nice.
That's one of the main points, that what we do, we want to do it as ecological friendly as possible.
And everybody here does something different?
Okay, this is really just the preparation, right? They tape. Where the tape is, there's no powder coating, because you need some areas where you have a better grounding and so electric connection.
And she's putting some special kind of like glue stuff on it?
Yes, I think maybe I can explain to you. For first one, after those about this river, because for the customer requirement, it means that all everything after finish power coating, all everything looks very 100%. It's perfect. It's not anything scratch and everything. So how we make sure everything look the surface, everything's perfect, and then we must do about this one, and then go to the polish, and then so after finish coating and all everything, it's 100%. Surface, everything's very perfect.
You know, that's really what makes us special, and I hope you see it in the assembly line. We really take care about details. And these small details others don't do, but for sure at the end you see it in the product. It is either better looking or it has better features, and this is what I love. And by that we really go into the details, and so deep in production we can control all the quality and make our product special.
Nice. Where are we going now?
Basically it's finished, right? We go to the
this one.
packaging area, and then I think we can show some
那个烤好了没有
Really cool
Mandarin,
products
Mandarin.
of what he's doing.
I
So-
think this one's not completely finished yet. I feel like maybe this one, after some the finished product, we can show to you.
It's lunchtime.
Lunch. Where are they going for lunch?
We made
This
it
way
too
or
long
this way?
video. We will go later. Yeah.
No problem.
So this part we have been means that for first one we finish the laser cutting and then punching and then go to the river and then so means that and then go to the power coating. So this is the finished product. So everything we produce by ourselves. So we can control everything, the quality and everything is by ourselves.
Yeah.
This is
Nice.
And then it goes into our assembly, and there we control again everything.
When you see, so where are they gonna go to lunch? This way or that way?
No, they're going over there.
Over there?
You miss them.
No problem.
But-
It's just to see all the people go.
We should have lunch there, I think also. But let's finish first this.
Yeah. Where are we now?
This one.
For this one is about the packing area. This is the quality department. And all the materials come to here and then all the finished products come here. And then they will go to the testing and then to checking. And then if no problem and they go to there, we go to the packing.
And really, Niklas, for a case factory, especially in China, I promise you this is a really clean place. You could make some other visits and all set up and organized by him. So now the people are leaving for lunch.
Hi. Hi.
Sorry,
Who are these guys? What they do?
This is the manager's office.
All right. Is this where you work also?
Working on it there.
Over there?
Yeah.
All right.
So shall we have a look outside
Yeah.
for now the parking lot? So again, Afei is just I think Afei is basically my coolest.
This is our design engineer.
Design engineer.
Yeah. In all everything's the case and in all everything is
One second, sorry.
They,
Say some hello.
Design. This is a schematic. What's happening
careful that we don't share any customers. No,
secret?
okay,
No?
for
Oh,
sure
okay.
we have a lot of secrets, but Niklas, we lose everything against you. Huh?
If you
want me
to cut it out,
Yeah, this is our packing product, and then all everything. This is complete finished products, design drawing, and then so he knows to make all
Nice.
everything perfect. Okay, you can see this how to working.
This is exciting. We can test it later. You can check it.
We will do.
All right, Shishi. What is this big tent out there?
Yeah, this is just a temporary. The temporary means I have about a big machine, and then about some the other thing, and then we can put inside there.
You know, we were last year crazy busy. And this year, for sure, I always say I don't know any company which has not troubles this year.
Yeah,
But we're doing okay. But last year we were crazy full. And hopefully next year it's going to be back. At least it looks for you. Really exciting because, again, that's it. Afei is a problem solver and he always learned and improved. And now he invented for himself his own product. And yeah, you show us or give an introduction.
Yeah, I think so. This is about the parking product. Okay, maybe this is in the Chinese. The Chinese, if we have the cars parking there, and you must pay the money. But normally, okay, maybe some the Chinese the persons, okay, they didn't pay the money. Okay,
They forget.
Yeah, forget.
Yeah.
And then so how to solve this problem? And then so for each position, we have the parking product here. Okay, the cars come inside here. Okay, maybe half hour. Okay, this one it will go up, and then so how? So it means that if you don't okay, it will remind to you to pay the money, and then you can just scan it here, and then you pay the money. Okay, this one's go down.
Can you show shortly?
Yeah,
With it?
you can show to you.
Okay. Yeah, Nick.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Is it Alipay? Or
Yeah,
what?
Alipay or WeChat Pay also no, all of them is no problem.
He will have for CES, we take these products with us and
Yeah.
we'll have an English version and
So-
you can then pay also with
2 cents.
Yeah, this is the money we just for the testing, so we can sell by ourselves.
Oh, you saw.
Boom,
now-
shakalaka. And it says thank you so much for the money. Yeah?
Yeah,
And it's solar powered.
Yeah, sure.
yeah. So
It's just solar. So it's a piece of cake to install it? Easy?
Yeah.
How do you make the hole in the ground?
Very easy. Just
Can we open? You have one
now this says no, and
okay.
yeah.
This is a different
This
designs?
is right. He has different designs. One fully enclosed in the ground, one half.
Yeah.
One wide and one
Yeah.
smaller, or?
No, actually, you know about the inside the product. Okay, you can see this is insulation. Okay, you have the product here. This one is embedded one. It means that after finish embedding, and then this you can see is completely flat. And then this is another product.
So you just put it in the ground.
I
Yeah,
feel
totally
like
correct.
really it's Afei won. You won now 5 cities already, right? 3, 4,
Yeah.
5 cities.
Tier
so-
1 cities? Which-
I think tier 3 or 4.
It's around 460 already.
Which one?
It's, in the Jiangxi, Jinan, and Guangzhou, and also the Guangzhou, you know, close in the Shenzhen. We also have
And people say it's worked great? No
Yeah.
problem?
because this one is now. I think maybe I can promise to you, maybe in the next 3 years or to the 5 years, I feel like maybe about 70 to 80% all the China we will have this parking product, because this parking product is not just only remind the people to pay the money, and then also to reduce the cost. You know, so about everything is automatically, and there's no people to manage it here. It means that you can reduce about we have very calculation about 70% the labor cost for the operation company. So it's in the next, it means because this is a win-win business for the government, for the people, for the operates company. This is all the win-wins the business.
Many cities, at least in Europe, there's many cities that have huge problems finding parking space. Does this connect with some kind of database where you can see all the available parking space at the same time? You know what I mean? Like when it's occupied, it will send a message say occupied to the server.
He has a full operation. Okay, this one is not operational, or I just stepped on it, but you have a video where a 7.5, that was the Elon Musk moment. Huh? You have a video where a 7.5 tons tries to drive over it, and it really survives 7.5 tons. Was it this truck? I think this one made the video, or something like this.
Yeah, something like that.
At least very
little
impressive.
small one.
But
Yeah.
what I want to say is I can't wait. So he installs it now in cities and kicks it off. And I think this is a perfect solution in, let's say, also in Germany, for example, where you have in the inner city small stores, pharmacy or small hotels, and they always have problems when somebody parks. And you can earn by this for your own money, and you make it just so expensive that always there are some parking lots free for your customers and you can provide for free. Or you do it the way around, it can go up and you scan the QR code and then it goes down. So you can also use it for reserving parking places. So I'm really quite excited, and again, he came up with this, and I think this can be next year also some really
So
good products.
there's no possibility for the car to drive around it, to get out? If you drive over this part or something,
Yeah,
it's going to block it somehow. It
No.
blocks. No chance.
no,
No chance to get out.
yeah,
Yeah, okay.
100%.
100%?
Even not anything problem for this one.
All right.
Yeah, I think maybe I can sort it for you. Do you know this one we want to build up the parking smarter parking city. So now we have all everything. You can see this is all everything about the parking. Yeah, I think
You
maybe
saw
we can
the production right over there, right?
Yeah.
So again, it's
I've seen these kind of things before, right?
yeah.
Something
this
like
is
that.
easy.
This is easy.
Easy.
Yeah, just about some customer want like this product. Okay, we can to sell to them. So theoretically, we produce the parking product.
So wider one, smaller one,
yeah,
Embedded one.
embedded one.
right?
And I think maybe we can introduce to you here. You know, this is everything's our software. Yeah, this software can control all the machine. It means that all the machine. You know why we do it in the China? Just only maybe not more industry company do like that one. We are one of them. We connect all the machine and then to the one software, and then the one software means that we don't need to power charge one software, the parking's one software, and then the app, and then this one's one, and then everything's connected.
So they're all connected.
Yeah, all connected.
How?
This is a
4G,
GSM?
5G.
You can see about okay. So this one, but not the English one is not finished yet, and but maybe end of this year.
You shall come back,
You can
he
come
says.
here, yeah. But this one, and then you can see about all like for example, this is a parking product. This is about the gate. The gate means the that one. The
You
first
make
one.
this too.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then so means this is the power charge, and then this also is the okay. Sorry, how to speak the English one is miss this one, and then all everything's connected here. I think maybe we can introduce. This is first one, and the second one means that you can see all the overview the situation, and how many money, how many which area, and then how many money you can receive. Everything you can see the overview. Everything's here. This is all the software. You connect all the product, and then the second one's about this one. This is our.
For sure, this runs now on an outdoor faytech kiosk. We cooperate nicely together. Huh?
Yeah. and then this one is about the okay, how if the products have anything question, have problem, how we know? It means that okay, I am the person to manage all the machine, and then I have the phone, and then you can see about this one. Okay, have anything problem? Okay, the power is lower, and have any products issue, and then you can see. Okay, what problem and what issue and which product have the problem. You can see really everything's easily. And then this one is about another app. The app about for the customer or for about driver. And then means that okay, I can to pay the money from the this one. Okay, you can put your car's number here. You can pay the money. You can pay about yearly and monthly and everything. And then I think maybe we can introduce another good function is missed here. It's here.
Oh,
This is yeah.
Okay.
It means that okay, but this one is connected here. But if we go, I can give you the software. You can see everything. It means that how to do that one. For example, this one row is a lot of cars here, and then you drive the car, and then you didn't know. Okay, here does it have the cars, the parking positions is empty or not? And then you can open your phone, and then you can see okay how.
Where is empty? You will see
where
it.
it's empty and
That's-
where it's full.
that's
and-
amazing.
Yeah, and then you can just see from your app, and then you can go to there.
For example, in Switzerland, there's this frustrating thing that people, they want to keep their private parking spots. And it says the number plate, that's only for me, blah, blah, blah.
But like
But
now
boom,
you can reserve it.
maybe
right? It's
when
so
they go
easy.
with the car to the office during the day, somebody else could use their parking spot and they could make money on their parking
Yeah,
spot.
Yeah.
So everybody
I
should
think
be able
it's really-
to,
I think
to
it's-
share every parking spot. And maybe they say, if you still parked after 5 p.m. when I'm just about to come home from work, I will charge you $100 per hour or whatever. You know, they can say, if you just need half an hour, you can use it as much you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
seriously, so I think this is a big chance for Europe for, let's say, space for gates, where you have 3, 4, 5, maximum 10 parking lots, and exactly you need always at least probably 1 to reserved. You can keep them reserved. You can bill then the others to earn money and
No more
and-
private parking, just a share.
Yeah.
I mean, they can be private, but
Yeah.
when you want
Exactly.
it. For example, when you go in this app, you should be able to say, I just want half an hour. Give me
Yeah.
half an hour. Where is available for
Yeah,
half an hour?
for one
Not because maybe they don't want you to stay for 12 hours,
Yeah.
but you can stay half an hour.
because
It
all
seems like
the
you can start selling this as well. Huh?
Yeah.
the product and then all everything have the GPS. And then if you mean say okay, you find this area, okay, it's empty, okay, you can go directly
Yeah.
to there.
Sorry, just 1 second. I need to change the battery.
Let's resume right here.
We would talk about a bunch of stuff, right? One little idea. Maybe people have subscriptions to parking, right? Sometimes people pay, I don't know.
That he said already. He offers, for example, a monthly pay,
Yeah.
or you can then automatically pay wherever you are. That's all.
Like Netflix for parking.
Yeah.
All right.
I
Can
feel
we-
let's maybe introduce this one. Maybe this is another good solution and idea. I think this is very very to introduce to you. You know, so this is about the parking product, and then it means that all the cars come here. So why have the least ones the power charge here? The power charge, this is a smaller one, and then so we don't want to do the produce very bigger one, because why? For example, this is maybe you live in the this size building, and then maybe you about 8 evening you go home. Okay, you just your cars parkings here, and then you can get this one. Okay, pew, and then maybe in the next day, maybe about 8 hours after, and then okay, the next day, maybe about 8 a.m., you want to go to the company, okay, your car's already power charge already full. And then so this is announced we already in the Jinan, and then we agreement with the government, and then we have about put some the parking products here, and then also the power charge here, and then means that they can use together. So this is a very good solution.
How do they use together?
It means that okay, the car comes here, and then you can put the power charge to your car.
It's
And
one payment for both.
Yeah, just
Oh,
one
nice.
payment.
That's it. It's all
One
in this
QR
app.
code,
Yeah,
you pay for
it is.
parking and this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. That's
Oh,
idea.
wow.
Yeah. And when you do it like this, so you save, so you don't need all the 5G and payments here.
Yeah,
he
it
just
is.
And one
Online
thing
content.
I noticed, for example, in Denmark, it's so weird because you need to have an electric car, but you can only charge for max 2 or 3 hour maximum. And there's like it says, get away from here in 3 hours because there's so many electric cars, the other guys need to come. So there could be like the fee coming up if you park for too long. You have to pay extra you need to hurry up and get your car away. So the next guys can come and charge. Okay.
So, but yeah, to sum up, I feel like it's really cool what developed here. And Afei started as a case factory, and he feels like, wow, with all these manufacturing capabilities, I want to do my own products.
What is
And
this?
probably he will sell next year more than our faytech products when he keeps on winning government cities like he did the
In
last
China,
weeks.
right?
Yeah.
But how about the whole world? There's
Let's
governments
see.
everywhere.
I was in Brazil. It seems like in Brazil they're also very interested. But again,
Europe?
we have it on the CES first time outside China in January, and then let's see how the interest is.
The European politicians, they're saying this is top priority to bring EVs everywhere, and there's car saturation, too many cars in cities, and hard to figure out the
Okay,
parking.
back to the question. What is this? You explained to.
You know, this is about the car's power charge, but this is about the mobile, the mobile. You know.
Mobile phone? Huh?
No, the mobile.
Motorbike.
Motorbike.
Oh,
yeah.
motorbike charger.
Yeah.
Okay.
Motorbike charger.
And then you just put inside here, and then so you can just scan it, and then you have the car to pay the money also directly. So it means
Nice.
that we do everything. It means that this is car's power charge. This is about
Motorbike.
motorbikes.
What's the difference between this and this? Just design?
Yeah, almost just outside looks different, but theoretically almost is
Right.
the same.
You make these also?
Yeah, it is one.
Every company in China have this stuff, right?
It's cool, huh?
这你的走这个给他看一下 ，Yeah. Yeah.
Yay.
You have because you have we didn't to make the name inside here, so we cannot go in.
Oh, it's counting.
Yeah.
All right, and here you have another screen.
Yeah.
And it's all weatherproof in the rain, no problem. What is this machine?
Okay, maybe you go
This-
up a little bit. 你给它升降一
This
下。
makes license plate recognition and then opens automatically up and down.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is for sure for the large parking lots. You have the gate.
Yeah.
For the small parking lots, you have the
Yeah.
yeah,
So that.
lot by lot.
All right, cool. Well, thanks a lot. That's awesome. So, growing business.
Growing business for sure. That's what it's all about, huh? Building up cool things and sell them.
And you make also cases for other customers who like all kinds of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the Chinese, we have to in the Chengdu and the Chongqing, and then also in the Shenzhen, we have do a lot of different the customer. Most of them the customer about the equipment customer, and then also about how to say medical.
Medical.
Yeah, medicals.
That's very
the
cool.
customer,
Medical
yeah.
enclosures.
When they need high quality, they call you.
Yeah, this is very high quality, and it's all everything have a lot of rule. But however, because we can produce the good quality, so we don't afraid anything, something the high quality and everything.
And if there's a tier 2 or tier 1 city calling you, they want this, you can scale up, make high quantity,
yeah,
but then you will have a problem.
No, that's
Exactly.
what we just applied this week for to have another automation machine that you have a higher output. So that's it. When there are orders, we invest right to fulfill the orders and grow. Yeah.